What is the suggested source for obtaining yeast for the activity? A. A chemical supply store. B. A grocery shop. C. A pharmacy. D. A hardware store. The correct answer is B. A grocery shop. What is a characteristic of the technology mentioned that involves magnets for train stability and speed? A. It uses only mechanical systems. B. It requires moving parts. C. It has no moving parts. D. It relies on air friction. The correct answer is C. It has no moving parts. What is the approximate rainfall received by Rajasthan? A. Less than 100 centimeters. B. Between 100 centimeters and 200 centimeters. C. More than 200 centimeters. D. Exactly 100 centimeters. The correct answer is A. Less than 100 centimeters. What are lines of longitude on a globe and maps also known as? A. Equators. B. Parallels. C. Latitudes. D. Meridians. The correct answer is D. Meridians. Is kilometer and C unit of measurement? A. No. It's a unit of mass. B. Yes. C. No. It's a unit of time. D. No. It's a unit of temperature. The correct answer is B. Yes. What should students be able to identify regarding materials? A. Conductors and insulators. B. Their density. C. Their weight. D. Their melting point. The correct answer is A. Conductors and insulators. What is considered a dynamic phenomenon? A. The population. B. The Industrial Revolution. C. The human environment. D. At the rate of death. The correct answer is A. The population. Which type of organism is explicitly stated to have only plant characteristics in this context? A. Fungi. B. Only plant. C. Animal. D. Bacteria. The correct answer is B. Only plant. Which of the following is a common source of water in villages and towns? A. Canals. B. Volcanoes. C. Deserts. D. Mountain peaks. The correct answer is A. Canals. Which of the following is listed as a edaphic factor related to soil? A. Humidity. B. Wind. C. Organic matter in soil. D. Light. The correct answer is C. Organic matter in soil. Which scientist is associated with the book Atomic Structure and Periodicity? A. Niels Bohr. B. Gay Lussac. C. R. L. Madan. D. Jack Burritt. The correct answer is D. Jack Burritt. What is the state of the endometrium during the ovulatory phase? A. It breaks down. B. It is prepared for LH. C. It regenerates. D. It shows an increase in thickness. The correct answer is D. It shows an increase in thickness. What is considered a unique feature of the Indus civilization? A. Well-conceived town planning. B. Extensive use of iron. C. Monumental sculptures. D. Complex road networks. The correct answer is A. Well-conceived town planning. Which of the following organisms is listed as growing by increasing the number of cells through division? A. Euglena. B. Palamecium. C. Frog. D. Amoeba. The correct answer is C. Frog. What is the least count of a traveling microscope? A. 1.0 millimeters. B. 0.001 millimeters. C. 0.1 millimeters. D. 0.01 millimeters. The correct answer is D. 0.01 millimeters. What can the fiber from fiber-yielding plants be processed into? A. Sugar, salt, and spice. B. Metal, stone, and glass. C. Thread, rope, and cloth. D. Oil, gas, and plastic. The correct answer is C. Thread, rope, and cloth. Which of the following is not listed as a human species option? A. Homo erectus. B. Homo sapiens. C. Homo habilis. D. Australopithecus. The correct answer is D. Australopithecus. In which states of matter can longitudinal waves be produced? A. Only in solids. B. Only in liquids and gases. C. Solids, liquids, and gases. D. Only in solids and liquids. The correct answer is C. Solids, liquids, and gases. Richard Arkwright invented which textile machinery in 1769? A. Flying shuttle. B. Power loom. C. Spinning jenny. D. Spinning frame, water frame. The correct answer is D. Spinning frame, water frame. What is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean identified as? A. Mariana Trench. B. Eurasian Basin. C. Bowman Basin. D. Hearst Basin. The correct answer is B. Eurasian Basin. Which of the following was a major export from India related to its textiles? A. Woven fabrics. B. Spinning wheels. C. Dyeing equipment. D. Raw cotton. The correct answer is A. Woven fabrics. What happens to the temperature of two objects in thermal contact when heat flows between them? A. Both temperatures decrease. B. Both temperatures increase. C. Temperatures remain constant. D. They attain the same temperature. The correct answer is D. They attain the same temperature. What type of climate is experienced by the east coast of the state? A. Tropical maritime climate. B. Mediterranean climate. C. Temperate climate. D. Arid desert climate. The correct answer is A. Tropical maritime climate. Which type of school is DDV primary school? A. JHSS. B. GGHSS. C. Primary school. D. HSS. The correct answer is C. Primary school. What organization is mentioned in the context of employment in India? A. Employment Bureau of India. B. Employment Exchange in India. C. Employment Department of India. D. Employment Commission of India. The correct answer is B. Employment Exchange in India. Are there any wastes produced by solar cells during electricity generation? A. Yes, gaseous waste. B. Yes, solid waste. C. No wastes are produced. D. Yes, liquid waste. The correct answer is C. No wastes are produced. Identify the profession of Meghnad Saha from the text. A. Astronaut. B. Physicist. C. National Anthem composer. D. Politician. The correct answer is B. Physicist. In what type of plants can parenchyma be found? A. Only terrestrial plants. B. Only aquatic plants. C. Both terrestrial and aquatic plants. D. Only desert plants. The correct answer is C. Both terrestrial and aquatic plants. What does Confucius suggest illustrates sound principles of morality? A. A disciplined individual in an orderly family. B. A wealthy merchant in a bustling city. C. A secluded monk in a quiet monastery. D. A powerful ruler in a vast empire. The correct answer is A. A disciplined individual in an orderly family. Which major blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the rest of the body? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Superior vena cava. D. Aorta. The correct answer is D. Aorta. How did you score?